Let's install ScanBay using self-service. You'll receive a Chrome notification of an available ScanBay update. Close all Chrome applications. That means Chrome Sales application and Chrome Notifier. You can close Chrome Notifier by right-clicking your mouse on the Chrome Notifier icon from the Windows taskbar, then selecting Exit. Open Self-Service Client on your Windows desktop. Select Install for the software bundle version you wish to install. Select Install Now. You can then view the current activity. It may take up to 5 minutes to initialize the download. The ScanBay wizard screen should appear on your desktop. Note, you may need to minimize or move the self-service window to see the screen. Select Continue. Select Next on the ScanBay welcome screen, then select Install from the Ready to Install confirmation screen. An installation progress screen will display as the installation is performed. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Note, various informational screens may display as the installation continues. It's important that you allow the installation to run without interruption. When the installation is finished, a completion confirmation message is displayed. Select Finish. You must synchronize ScanBay to register the installation with the Chrome server and complete the process. To do that, start Chrome and Chrome Notifier, establish the Chrome Notifier connection with the Snap-on Chrome server, right-click the Chrome Notifier icon from the Windows taskbar, then select Synchronize ScanBay. The ScanBay installation is complete.